I'm really surprised. Today I got someone letter from the ED, New Delhi. So in fact today I just got a someone letter today itself only. And when I read the someone letters, I have to be appear in the court of the ED today itself. So today is very difficult to go today itself also because I got a letter today only. So I'm really surprised how and why I'm summoned by ED. I am also really confused on the summoning of the ED to me. So still there is I'm confused because there is no reason is written there on the summoned letter. So that is why I got surprised and confused of these summoning letters. In fact, these summoned letters has been dropped to my this residence, which is Yaripok town. There is my this home town is there. That has been dispatched by the Yaripok police station. Today only I got the letters and from my these family members. They had informed me today only. So right after this getting these summoned letters, I am also confused and I went directly to the ED office Imphal branch. So when I entered in the ED office Imphal, there they have advised me that this is not related with the Imphal branch at all, and then they advised me to go to Delhi. So when I see the letters through, when I go to through the summoning letters, that is written there, I am summoned at Delhi. So yes, it is surprise, and I got the letter today only, so I could not go to Delhi, and I requested to the ED office through email that I will take some time, and after some few days I will communicate with them. So this is that I'm just this confused.